Hi Otis, my name is Megan. I'm the founder of Loba Leads Marketing, and I spoke with Cece from your office today about doing a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently, and she went ahead and passed your information along to me. So in this video, I'm just going to go over a few specifics on how to rank your site, give you some tips on your website, and show you what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. If you have any questions after watching, you will have all my contact info, and I'd love to get any feedback from you as well. So the three things we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the home page of your site, like right here. I was trying to highlight it for you. Right here, really any text that's on the home page, any text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like Electrician, Spring, Texas Electrician, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up for that location. So looking at your website, I really like how clean and professional it is. I see that here you have some content on your homepage, but you'll definitely want to get to that 1,500 word mark of quality, high quality content. So the standard rule of thumb that we tell our clients to use is one keyword phrase for every 100 to 150 words. So if you were to get up to the 1,500 word mark, anywhere from 10 to 12 keywords would be a good number to strive for, and have those spread organically throughout the paragraphs here on your homepage. Now, looking at your service pages, I see that you have them all broken up here, which is great because it makes each of these services a lot easier to rank as separate back pages, so that's awesome. As far as content goes here, the number you want to strive for is about 500 words, and you could have anywhere from 3 to 4 keyword phrases. That's what that word mark will allow you to do. So if you were to try to put any more keywords in there, Google they call it keyword stuffing. So you really want to make sure that it comes off very natural and it's spread organically throughout the paragraphs, like I said, for the home page. So same thing for these service pages, except you'll have that 500 word mark as your guide. I see that you have testimonials as well up here. Those are always really great, a huge plus on a site to help build trust with prospective clients. One thing I would say is sometimes people don't go all the way over and click on testimonials, but it's always great to kind of have testimonials here on the home page. So when someone goes to your site, they'll just see them pop up right down here. I usually say towards the bottom is the best. And then, have your contact info listed underneath. So that's something to consider. You could eliminate a page that way and then add those testimonials down here. Then another thing I would say is an About Us page and a Contact Us page is always great to add. Those both are very, very typical with business sites, because people do want to know, what you guys are about. If you have any team pictures, the About Us page is a great page to add all of those to. And then, just tell a little bit about the history of your company and what you guys are about, and that helps to build trust as well. So, that is all as far as content goes on your site. The next thing I want to talk to you about today is backlinks. So the thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest in a way, because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So for example, an electrician blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you. Or a popular website that features various types of home services and electrical services, that would be another good one for you. So something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza, for example. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs. It gives you a ton of really valuable data on what kind of traffic is coming into your website. And here you can see I put your website in. and you have 14 backlinks from 2 different websites pointing back at you, and then 8 for your organic traffic, tells me there's minimal traffic coming into your site per month. So this is measured over the last 30 days. You've had 8 website visits. Now, compared to your top competitor in the area, Abacus Plumbing, for their Spring, Texas location branch, they have 36 for their organic traffic. So they have, about quadruple the amount of website visits, and we can assume that some of these have converted to new customers for them. So a strategy that we tell our clients to use to get the same kind of influence and power as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have, and then continue to keep adding more and more. So you'll end up surpassing them while gaining more power to your site, more organic traffic, and of course with that comes new customers. And the last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations. So citations are very important because if someone is wanting a service now, most likely what they'll do is they'll type in that service to Google, so Electrician, Spring, Texas, let's say, and then you have these top businesses pop up here in the local Google My Business map pack. And the reason these businesses are ranking at the top is not necessarily because they're the best, although a lot of people think that because they're ranking at the top, because they have a lot of reviews and ratings, that they are the people that they should call when they're looking for a particular service. However, the reason that they're ranking at the top is because they have the most citations. So citations are anywhere on the internet where your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, just to name a few. So again, what we tell our clients, same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. You want to go in and list yourself in whatever directories these businesses are listed in, and then you'll want to go ahead and add a space cushion on of, let's say, 20 to 30% more directories than your competition here. And that way, what's going to happen is over time, you're going to infiltrate this Google My Business local map pack. You'll be ranking at the top, and by the time your competitors even realize it, they won't be able to catch up because you'll just keep adding on more backlinks, more citations, and taking on all of that new business. So here's my website, and this is my company, Lobo Leads. This is my phone number, and I'd love to discuss any of this with you and get your feedback and answer any questions for you, and I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks.